it is in case of eyes it is very important. The present time we are using mobile, laptop, different lights, dusts, and another very that is LED light. So these lights are harmful, especially the blue lights is very much harmful for our eyes. In this picture you are seeing iris, lens, pupil, cornea, iris, retina, macula, optic nerve, vitreous gel. Here fovea, macula is very important in retina. The eye is a specialized sense organ that help us to understand our environment. It is a sensory unit composed of three parts: receptor, sensory pathway, and a brain center. Optic nerve, optic chiasma, optic tract, lateral geniculate nucleus, optic radiation, primary visual cortex. These are the very important parts. So it is spherical in shape. It is about 2.5 centimeter in diameter, situated in the orbital cavity. It is our eye. In the eye outside we are watching eyebrow is there, and skin is there, lower lid, upper eyelid, canthus, median commissures, lacrimal cannula, eyelashes, lateral commissures, medial commissure, lower eyelid, palpebra, and pupil, iris. These are the things in our eye. Accessory organs and eye protection: orbital cavities, bony sockets house and protect the eye. Adipose tissue cushions the eyes. Lacrimal glands produce tear that lubricate and have a germicidal effect. Lacrimal gland. Eyebrows protect against foreign articles, perspiration, and direct rays of light. Eyelid, folds of the skin that covers the surface of the eye, close by reflex action when an object approaches. Eyelashes, secretes oil that prevent lid from sticking together. Extrinsic muscles, these are the very important muscle of the eye. Muscles located outside of the eye that control certain eye movement, such as moving the eyeball from side to side or rolling the eyes. Intrinsic muscles, muscles located inside the eye that helps hold the lens in place and modify its shape. Layers, there are three layers of the eye: sclera, cornea. In case of sclera, white outer layer of the eyeball, tough fibrous membrane that helps to maintain the spherical shape of the eyeball. Cornea, part of sclerotic quiet, transparent front part of the eyeball through which light waves passes. No blood vessels but lots of nerve endings. Canal of Schramm, venous passage that drain the fluid that accumulates behind the cornea, located where the sclera and cornea meets. Conjunctiva, thin transparent mucous membrane that covers the eyeball. Choroid layer, middle layer of the eye, supplies blood vessels to the eye and contain dark pigment granules that prevents the reflection of the light in the eye. Ciliary body, intringing muscle, smooth muscle fibers support and modify lens shape. Iris colored portion of the eye, formed by circularly and radially arranged smooth muscle fibers, regulates amounts of light entering their eye by constricting or dilating the pupil. pupil, rounded opening of the iris through which light passes. Retina, innermost layer of the eye, lines its surface and contains photoreceptors. Photoreceptors is said responsible for converting light into nerve impulse, rods and cones. Eye parts, rods, cylindrical photoreceptors found in greatest concentration on the edge of the retina. Most common type of receptors allows us to see in low light and provide for peripheral vision. This is the rods. Cones is very important also because in the retinal part, conical photoreceptors found in greatest concentration near the center of the retina. There are three varieties of cones, each most sensitive to particular wavelength, color of light blue, green and red, allow for visual acuity, sharp vision and color vision. Fovea centralis, a depression or pit in the center of the retina that contains only cones, provides for the most acute vision and color sensitivity. Optic disc, blind spot, which is very important blind spot, area where optic nerve attached to the retina does not contain any photoreceptors. Lens, flexible, bioconvex, crystal-like structure that brings ray to light into focus and produces an image on the retina. Suspensory ligament holds the lens in place attached to the ciliary body, which controls the amount of tension exerted on the lens. Fluid in the eye, aqueous humor, watery fluid that provides nutrition and helps maintain the shape of the cornea, found in the smaller interior chamber of the eye. Vitreous humor, thick gel-like substance that fills the largest chamber of the eye and helps to hold the spherical shape. In case of blood supply, carotid artery, ophthalmic artery, ciliary artery and central renal artery in the eye. Tapetum, iridescent layer in the eye that causes glow in the dark appearance when light shines in the many animals have fins. So these are the important part regarding the eyes. But in today's era, when we are facing a lot of trouble, so what can we do is very important. So if you want to control your eyes and see the things properly, so proper nutrition is needed for the eye. In present time, there is some important things which can save your eyes, that is Lutamax. A very important things you should have to know. The nutrition is provided to the eye by the lutein, and lutein is found from the Lutamax and zeaxanthin. These two things are very much essential for our eyes, and another one is moringa. So if you give the needy person 20 milligram lutein and 4 milligram zeaxanthin, so eyesight will remain better. And in long term, if any person uses for long time, then more benefit can be achieved in case of eye.